What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Solana, guys. Currently sitting at 201. We're up about 1.7 on the day. Excuse me. We're sitting at a market cap of 60.13 billion. 24-hour volume 3.28 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto going app. And grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 in crypto. Just for signing up through my referral. A little tea time here for Jack. So let's get into Solana, guys. So if you're using our dollar cost average trading method, you were triggered into your trade at 188 and then once again at 178, which brought your average price down to about 183. And if you sold up here at this level of resistance, that was a juicy trade opportunity of 15%. So if you're interested in using that strategy, what you do is you take your margin and you split it up between the buy zones, whether you have 4 buy zones or 5. This is not financial advice. These are just for references. And you equally divide the money between each buy zone. And when it comes down and it triggers your buy zones, it brings down your average price and you ride the slingshot back up. So we have a little bit of an ascending triangle here. You can see we came up, we hit resistance. So we may be coming back down to this level of support at 191. If you're looking to get into Solana, you want a dollar cost average into your trade. 188 is a great buy zone here. So if we do come down here and we bounce and we head back up to this level of resistance, we break out. I'll give you your target here. Measure the body of your ascending triangle. It is a bullish pattern here, guys. And it would bring you up to about 234. It's just one of the possibilities. As we can see here with our friend Bitcoin, we're coming down to the symmetrical triangle level of support. So if we bounce here, that's when you'll see Solana bounce as well. But if this support is broken, guys, do expect 58.2 and the possibility of a double bottom here for Bitcoin. All right, guys, so we'll jump back into Solana. Now, if Bitcoin were to see some harsh sell-off and come down to the broadening wedge support 55 or all the way down to 54.5K, then do watch these levels of support 178 and 170. If that were to happen with Bitcoin, then we may see Solana put a bit of an ABC correction. We came down, we created A, B, and you have C all the way down at about 170. But I do think Bitcoin would have to come down to 54K for that to play out. And if your dollar cost averaging brings down your average price, you ride the slingshot back up. All right, guys, let's jump into Solana here on the daily. So currently we're holding the 20 EMA. We're looking healthy on the daily here. You can see we got a little bit overextended. We came down, we broke through the 20 EMA. Actually, there's a good example here with Solana. So you can see here with Sol on our previous correction, we came down, A, B, C correction, ascending triangle, breakout once again. So if we do come all the way down to these levels of support, you see that reversal pattern, that'll be a beautiful time to enter Solana. Not financial advice, just a young guy from Canada. I'm not your financial advisor. And it also lines up here with the 55 EMA, but that scenario will only play out, in my opinion, if Bitcoin comes all the way down to 54K. Personally, I don't think it's likely. I think we'll either see a bounce here or we'll create the double bottom at 58.2, but anything is possible. All right, guys. So in the meantime, keep an eye on this ascending triangle. If we can consolidate here and we break out to the upside, your target's all the way up at 234. We have our much larger bull flag pattern, which we're slowly on our way to our target up at 290. Future price targets 258 at the 1.272. We have 318 at the 1.618. We have 406 at the 2. We have 481 at the 2.272. So that's basically it for Solana. If you want to learn more about this strategy, join the Discord. We have it fully laid out here. Under fun stuff, it's called DCA Trade Strategy. We also have 1,000 members posting breakouts if you're a breakout trader. I trade breakouts as well as do the dollar cost average strategy. So this is a beautiful community. You can sign up through the Patreon. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it, guys. Check out Crypto.com. Smash the like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.